How to cancel Hulu subscription. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you to the process to do so. So let's just get started. For that, what you may do is go ahead and access Hulu website. For that, you need to access the website, go to hulu.com, and once you log in, you can find this particular interface. And from here, you can look out for the menu in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on it, a menu appears which says Manage my account. You can also find it up and click on it, and it will take you to your current plan. So here it will show you current plan, look out for back option, and go to this section called Manage your account. After you find it up here, it will show you all of your plans that you've done. So you can scroll down through the given options and go to the section called your subscription at the very last. And once you find it up, you may just go ahead and look out for your subscription. And at the very last, you should be finding an option called cancel a subscription option. Just go ahead and find it up and click on it. In that way, you can cancel a subscription. If you'd like to pause your subscription, you can even find an option called pause. You can go ahead and find it up and pause your subscription through that process as well. So therefore, if you'd also like to cancel a subscription for Hulu, mobile or desktop, you may follow up the steps, which should be similar on both of the devices. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.